morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? How are you guys? Let's see what we have here today. Two important levels here to watch. This little 484, 485 level, and yesterday high. And pretty much the same thing with SPY, yesterday high, and this 546.50 level. Yesterday's close. That's with SPY and the Q. For individual stocks, you guys have it on my Discord. And for these two, for SPY and the Q levels also, you guys have it on my Discord. Hey, how is Tampa? Is it raining there? Today, so far, the weather is beautiful here in Miami. Let's see, we're gonna have another crazy day. I was not expecting this huge move yesterday. That was insane. And I was super mad because the Q faked me out on that last trade that I did yesterday, like on the stream, only to go higher. But it's okay. I ended the day green, like $160 up on each account. I managed to turn it around in the afternoon. But yeah. The early morning was very choppy, and then the market just boom boom. But I'm super happy that we got Meta, right? At least I got the entire Meta move yesterday. Okay, let's see the Q. If the Q loses this support, I'm gonna go short here. Yep. Okay, so we have the Q holding pretty good here. SPY trying to go for all-time high again. We're gonna see Microsoft holding the VWAP. SPY going. That's another one. It's SPY. If SPY can break this high, I'm going long here. Sammy, we cannot trade based on what we think the market might do. You gotta wait and see. That's how you trade. Not asking, you do not trade thinking that the market's gonna do X or Y or Z. You gotta wait and see what it's gonna do there. That's how you trade, not guessing where the market is gonna go. You trade based on whatever the market is giving you. AMD, it's dead. I like this rejection here, but we keep holding. Meta right now is the one that I like how it looks. Meta and Microsoft. Oh, okay. Thank you, Donnie. That's why. I like this reaction here on SPY. I'm not gonna lie, like right now where the market is and how the market is being moving, it's kind of difficult for me to trade to either side. To the upside, it should be my number one like focused because the market's been so bullish, but also we've been moving so much that it's difficult. Like we keep doing like all-time highs and then another all-time high and then again and again, so it becomes like very difficult for me to keep trying to just play calls. But also again, the market's been so bullish that it's difficult to play the downside, right? So when you have a very bullish market, if you're looking to play the downside, you gotta be quick, because nothing is telling you that the market is bearish. At least the bigger time frames are all extremely bullish. I like the 230 hold on CRM. I still love that swing trade. We'll see if it's gonna work out, but so far I still like it. I like this possible downside here on the Q, but keeps holding this little level here. Everything that I used to trade, you gotta have it here. Everything is in here. I use 3 time frames to trade: daily, 30, and 5. Okay, I like that move. Let's see if we're gonna have any continuation here. Nope. Keep bouncing. Apple is looking kinda weak. Nvidia is holding very good. Microsoft is holding support. Meta is also holding very good so far. That's why I'm not going short here, even though it looks bearish because it's rejecting the VWAP and the 90 MA, but it's still holding the support, so it can change just in one little candle. If I see weakness all across tech, I'm gonna look to play this downside. But as long as tech keeps holding, I'm not too convinced to this downside here. You don't trade QQ, you cannot trade QQQ on Trade-O-Bait. Trade-O-Bait is for futures. And if you don't know the futures, what's the futures QQQ, you shouldn't be trading futures because that's basic knowledge. So go watch a video about futures and then trade. Morning. Yes, only the VWAP on the 5-minute time frame. I'm gonna be very patient here. Now we want to see a reaction of these levels, right? The problem that I have here for this little down move is that SPY is holding very good. Nvidia is looking pretty bullish. Meta is holding very good. Microsoft is holding support. So I don't know, I'm not convinced on this little down like pullback. Yeah, maybe. Okay, I like that reaction in Nvidia and I like this reaction here. I'm gonna go short here. Let's see. Okay, I like that reaction there. I like how Nvidia reacted there. Meta is now rejecting the VWAP also. Okay, I like that. Beautiful. Let's see if we have any continuation there. Beautiful, beautiful. Gonna get sell one, holding one. Okay. Hell yeah. He's looking cute. Wanna see more? Maybe we have a continuation to this level here around 482.50, 483. But again, remember what I said at the beginning. The market's been so bullish lately that it's difficult to trust any big, thinking that we're gonna have any big red day or any big downside, because the market's been very bullish. So far, I have nothing that is telling me to sell this runner here. We'll see. I think as long the Q keeps rejecting this level here is bearish. So I'm gonna go like this because we have the VWAP here and change it red. That's yesterday's close also, so we want to see the Q rejecting there. Also, Microsoft and Meta are rejecting the VWAP. Nvidia is looking bullish right now. So we have tech going to either side. Like going both ways. Also, remember the market's gonna be closed tomorrow, so I'm not expecting too much today. I think futures it's open tomorrow like half day or something like that, right? I have PAs and evals. I have a mix of everything here. But I don't think that matters for you guys. The only thing that matters here is the setup. It's a good setup or a bad setup. P&L doesn't matter if it is an eval or PA, doesn't matter. Only thing that matters is the setup. I think Nvidia is gonna make this difficult. Any continuation here is gonna be difficult because Nvidia is booming. And same thing with now Meta is fighting there. SPY here is looking bullish, but it's not even moving. If I see too much fight here, and I see the Q fighting too much to go higher, I'm gonna get out. Check this out. Hi. Apple is definitely weak. Nvidia looks like it wants to retest all-time high. Okay, I'm out. If we see now the Q holding the VWAP as support, it's gonna be bullish. Look at this 30-minute candle here at yesterday's close. Really trying to hold. Nvidia is going. SPY is looking pretty bullish. Let's see how SPY is gonna react there at all-time high. Look at that. That is crazy bullish. If this candlestick closes like that, holding the VWAP, most likely I'm gonna go long. But I wanna see Meta and Microsoft holding the VWAP. CRM is right at daily support, weekly support. I'm gonna add a little bit more to my position here. This is still acting as support. Look at that reaction. That could be another entry. So I enter there. I like that reaction. I don't like that Nvidia is super bullish. So I just got fake out on this huge candle here. But at least the setup was very good. I'm also watching this level here on SPY. If SPY can go under this little level here, it's around, is this pre-market low? Yeah, pre-market low, yesterday's close. We can also play the reaction there. But to play SPY, I will wait until either breaks yesterday high or breaks this little support here. So as long as it's moving inside this range, I don't see like any good setup. Yes, you can say this is a little flag, but I honestly don't care what it's doing inside this range. Like the risk to reward here to go long is not that good. You have a very strong resistance to close. I got CRM for next week, the 232.50 calls. I like how it's holding. And I like the weekly and daily chart. I don't watch NQ, I don't watch futures charts. It looks just like yesterday. This happened yesterday, and then we have like a come back here, and then it kind of fake me out around here. And then boom, looks just like yesterday. You cannot trade QQQ on Trade08. Trade08 is for futures. How can you buy something and not understanding what it is? Guys, you need to read. Listen, trading is just like anything else. If you want to learn something, you need to study, you need to read, you need to put a lot of like screen time into it, you need to put a lot of effort. It's like studying math or anything else. Like how are you gonna try to make money if you don't understand what it is? Like, your questions, Robert, are literally telling me that you're desperate to make money trading, but you didn't even read what you bought. Like, no, that's not how you do anything. It's like buying a car without knowing how to drive. Morning, Jesse. Screen time, yeah, I do think trading is like driving. You cannot learn how to drive just reading books. You learn by having somebody to teach you how to drive, and then you practice a lot. You drive and drive and drive until you get good at driving. It's the same thing with trading. Buenos días, Julián. Yeah, I definitely love what CRM is doing. The Q is still chopping around here, but it's more bullish than bearish. I want to see it like closing strong here, and then give me a little pullback holding this level here. Like, basically I want to see it breaking it and then retesting it and acting as support now. And I want to see Microsoft holding the VWAP as support also. Meta fighting there, but I think if you can really break the VWAP and use 505.50 as support, is bullish. But the one that I like the most is CRM. Looking pretty good. Okay, I want to see a pullback here, holding it so we can enter longs. It looks like it doesn't want it to give me a pullback there. No, I don't have a Discord live. Yeah, 20 seconds. That's why I explain everything that I'm looking at, so you guys are prepared, can take trades without me. That's why I also post my watch list, my possible trade setups for the day on my Discord. So you guys have everything that I'm looking to trade before the stream starts. Come on, CRM, keep going, baby. Keep going. I bought CRM next week because I kind of want to see what it's gonna do this week, and I do think it can move today to 234, 235, but I think CRM has a lot of potential. So if it doesn't stop me out today, I think I'm gonna swing trade this one also. I have a bunch of CRM for next month. For next month, also for the end of this month. So not much going on here, but I do like this hold on the Q. Nvidia, watch guys. Nvidia can break. If you see a break and retest of yesterday high, that's your entry. That's your entry. It's still arm. It's a resistance. I wanted to trade arm last week, but I don't love how it's been moving. $168 is your next big resistance on arm. It looks bullish, definitely. Okay, so we have Nvidia rejecting yesterday high. We have Microsoft still rejecting the VWAP. Same thing with Meta. Apple not doing much, but it's weak today. Namaste. Hello. Okay, so yeah, the queue right at support. But the problem that I have to enter here is I don't like how Microsoft and Meta are looking. Same thing with Apple. Nvidia is right at resistance. What's my entry on CRM? I don't know. What do you mean, what's my entry? My entry or my contract? I have contracts for this next week, for the end of the month, and for the end of the next month. So for me, CRM is a long-term play. No need for that. No need to overcomplicate trading. Trading, I only trade based on everything that you guys see here. Levels. My stop loss yesterday low. That's my stop loss on CRM on the weeklies, not on the next month contracts, on the weeklies. What a messy PA today, at least on the queue. Nvidia was very clean. AMD was very clean to the downside. The 30-minute candle closes like that. That's very bearish. What do you do? Study. That's how do you learn anything? Study. If you want to trade futures, just go and learn the basics of futures. My recommendation is only to trade NQ and ES. If you can only trade NQ with futures, that will be amazing. If you want to trade options, I will recommend you only trading SPY and the Q. Make it easy for you to like really learn how to trade, and then you can dabble in the other stocks. Any course? There's a plenty like free material on YouTube. There is one guy that his video has like millions of views, and it's just basic options trading. I think you just can search how to trade options and you'll have it there. Or put options for beginners and you get it there. Where is it? Here it is. Options. This is your video to watch. That's your video to watch if you want to learn the basics of options. Yeah, no problem. Okay, we have SPY losing it here. Microsoft and Meta looking pretty weak. Again, I'm not looking to trade anything on SPY if it's still inside this range here. No, it's not. QQQQ. It's NQ and ES minis and used NQU. That's the new contract. They're changing, I think, the end of the week, so use NQU. Use every single contract with a U, not with the M. I think the one with the M expire at the end of this week. Not much going on here. Gonna be patient because, like I said, the market the Qs kind of looking like yesterday. And what happened yesterday? Yesterday chopped me around on something exactly like this. Went under and above the levels here and did nothing like the first few hours, and then explode. Then boom boom. Are we gonna have the same move or kind of strong move like yesterday? I don't think so, because the market's closed tomorrow. But I'm gonna wait for cleaner price action. idea. I don't trade tail. But you can check the news and it says something about AI. Everything, every time any company says they're gonna invest or do something with AI, it boom booms. That's what happening with Dell. What a mess. This is getting boring. The 30-minute candles look super bearish, but we're having no continuation here. Market, the Q is kind of dead. Just send me a DM. Nobody having that problem, so send me a DM so I can check it out. SPY could be doing a weird flag here. But like I said, I don't want to trade anything inside this range. It's either here or here, not in the middle. These are ugly 30-minute candles there. Clear reaction, but still holding. The Q is still holding. Yeah, both span the Q look weak, both looking weak. Or do you trust any downside here? I don't like when you have no continuation and the market just chop you around. Oh yeah, it has, but it's too late to enter here. You need a pullback, it's right at resistance. Yes, you have a huge gap, it's already inside the gap, but it's too late. Entering here is right at resistance, and you're literally buying the top. Nvidia is flagging right at resistance, which is bullish, but I don't like the 30-minute time frame on Nvidia. I will prefer to wait until it breaks all-time high and wait for a retest so we can play the upside continuation there. TRM now it's looking weak. I don't like that 30-minute candle. The past two looking ugly, looking kind of ugly. I want to see it holding 230. It's been only 1 hour since the market opened, but I feel like it's been here like for forever because I don't see the queue doing anything. It's getting super boring. Well, trading should be boring because we should be patient enough to wait for the trades to come to us, not us going for a trade, not us chasing a trade. Come on, spy, just break to either side. Give me something. What's going on, Robert? Congrats, that's awesome. That's awesome. 40% on anything is pretty good. Be happy and be done with your trading day. Your market is doing nothing. The gap is pretty much filled on IWM. So trading here, the gap is literally at resistance. And the gap it's over like 60% filled already. So it's too late. Yeah, I know it's definitely difficult to trade at all-time highs. No, you got to DM me. Send me a direct message. I need more info than that. Do we have any data today coming up or any Fed speaking today? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff going on today. Why the market's not moving? At 11:40, we have one. Then at 1, we have a few. Congress budget. At 2. Yeah, they've been talking and the market is still doing nothing. Carlisle says up to 95% off. Up to. So with that code, you're gonna have the best discount that Apex have at the moment. If it is running at 95% off, you're gonna get that. If it's running 80, you will get that. If they're running 71, you're gonna get that. And I think it's still 90 or 95% off on the 250K accounts. Microsoft is dying. Nvidia 30-minute time frames looking bearish, is rejecting yesterday high. The Q looks like we might have some continuation here. The 30-minute keeps looking very ugly. We have bone at 1. Okay, thank you. I think right now for me the best thing to do is just wait for SPY to break to either side, because yes, the Q looks weaker, kind of weaker than SPY, but it is still very messy. SPY is clearly ranging between 2 big levels. So this is how Nvidia is looking right now, like this. So the 30-minute candle is looking just like this. It had this green bullish candle, and then it has a pin at the top projecting resistance. Let's see if this is gonna play it out. going long here on the queue. I'm looking for a quick bounce here and get out. I want to see it bouncing till here, and I'm gonna get out. If it closes rejecting this level here, that's my stop loss. Okay, I'm out. I'm good with that. I'm good. Yes, you can bounce to BY, but I'm good with those gains. Watching Nvidia looking like it wants to boom boom, but it's at a very strong resistance. So what's gonna happen there? It's gonna break it. It's gonna keep rejecting there. I think it looks like it wants to break it, but who knows? Look at daily on SPY. That's ugly. I think that the setup here is just being very patient and just waiting for a SPY to see if it's gonna break to either side. Bro, what are you talking about? Literally 2 weeks ago, the 250K account had, no, last week, the 250K account had 90% off. Okay, SPY, let's see if it's gonna happen. We have pre-market low here. This is the level. Let's see if SPY is gonna do it. I don't know, I don't trade that stocks guy. I don't trade anything that is $1,000 or $800. I don't like trading any of that. It's not worth it, at least for me. But I must say that chart is very, very clean. But I don't trade that. $973 is your next top. Yeah, $950, $973. It's your next big resistance, but again, I don't care what that stock is doing. I don't trade that. I will say I don't trade anything that is above 600. Unless you have very, very cheap contracts. Other than that, I don't think it's worth it. I'm gonna go for more water. I'll be back. Okay. It's SPY. Let's see if it's finally gonna break this level so we can play a reaction here. This can be another little support here on the Q, maybe. You have resistance here, support here, so that could be another level to watch out. Yeah, so I don't know what are you talking about? We had a 95% off. Move on. It could have another bounce, a little bounce here, maybe another scalp, but I'm gonna wait. Is that a rising wedge on Apple on the daily? Kinda looks like that. Let's see how's the volume. Oh yeah, that's a rising wedge on Apple on the daily. Keep going higher with lower volume. Volume going down while the stocks keep going higher. But I'm not trading Apple. There you have your bounce. Little bounce. This is a 30-minute time frame support on SPY. looks like this was the rejection point on the Q. Kind of weird, but yeah. Today is a very boring day, but how are you guys doing? Anyone got a very good trade today? Besides Robert, he had 40% on coin. That was awesome. I like that CRM keeps holding to 30. Man, it's just dead. What's going on there? Yes. Rising wedge. Rising wedge. Rising wedge. Rising wedge. Falling wedge. You wanna see the volume going lower? Like the rising wedge is you see the volume going lower, but the stock keeps going higher. The falling wedge is the other way around. You see the stock keep going lower, and the volume. Oh. I love playing falling wedges with swing trades. And for that, not only you need the wedge, you also need, where is it? You also need to see some type of either I like to see some type of daily bullish candlestick at support. So if I'm trying to play the falling wedge here, I want to see the red volume going lower, and I want to see a daily bullish candlestick at support. And for the rising wedge, you want to see a daily, or at least a bigger time frame, like 30 minute to 1 hour candlestick rejection at the top. Okay. Market moving. We're moving. We're moving. Okay, SPY, let's go do something. Yeah. Kind of like taking a little scalp here to the upside. Do I want to risk it here? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we have a little bounce here. At support. Again, not looking for anything huge, just looking for a bounce there. Maybe a bounce through here. Yeah, I think bounce here would be nice. So far, SPY is holding. Made it back to 4.99, the level that we played yesterday. 4.98, 4.99. Let's see if we are gonna have the bounce that I think SPY is gonna make. And I think this is gonna be my last trade today, or at least on the stream. Market's super boring. I'm hungry. Unless we have a strong break here, and then we see a rejection, we could play this downside here and SPY. Yeah, I'm going to the gym today, definitely. No, I'm not skipping it this week. Come on, SPY, just bounce there. I know you want it. I like this candlestick here at support. Nvidia still looks like it wants to boom boom. I don't like that reaction there. Today is lower body. I have lower body day. Today is booty day. Okay, it looks like it doesn't want to do it. See. Only one side of 50. Yeah, maybe. It's like trading. You can train very different and still be good. I think everyone have their own like style. Trading and training. I think it depends what works for you. I find that for me, I need kind of to be able to be consistent at the gym, like going to the gym every day or at least 5 times per week. I need to have like short sessions. Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out. Let's see if it's gonna break this low. Yeah, I'll check the DMs after I finish the stream. Most likely in the afternoon after I come back from the gym. Okay, I'm out. The queue is just dead. Nvidia, ugly reaction of all-time high. Apple very weak, Microsoft weak. Apple not looking like it wants to hold. I still think that SPY is gonna bounce here, but who knows? I don't know. Three, one. Let's see how this 30-minute candle is gonna close. Is it closes like that or green? I'm gonna try to play another long here. Ooh, TSM is looking ugly. Look at that daily candle TSM. Ugly reaction there. That thing, I think that thing has a bunch of, it's gonna go back down to 170. I want to see a clear, bullish candle here, not rejecting like that, to play a bounce here. The problem is that Apple and Microsoft are very, very weak. What a day. What a day. Pretty choppy morning so far. So what I'm looking here is I want to see bullish candle holding the support. Candle like that, it would be good, or a bullish pin bar or something like that. Days like today is like when you really understand that trading is more about waiting than trading. 4 minutes for this candle to close, or 6. I'll be back. Okay. I will have reaction there. The Q still looking pretty weak. Same thing with Apple, same thing with Microsoft. Nvidia keeps reacting the same level. CRM still holding 230. Two more minutes here. Almost 3. Well, 2.30. I like this action here. I like how SPY is holding here also. I don't know. I'm following my plan. I'm following my stop loss. I'm following everything that I talk about CRM. You know, basically don't sell if my stop loss doesn't get hit. So just following my plan. Okay, I'm going long here. I want to see SPY keep holding this support here on the 30-minute time frame. And that's pretty much it. And that would be my last trade on the stream. Vita looks like it really wants to go, but it keeps rejecting the same level. Let's see. So far I like what I'm looking at here on SPY. I like that it's holding that support. It's holding yesterday's close. I like how it's holding on the 30-minute time frame. Kinda risky setup, but I like it. And I'm going long on ES because ES is being stronger than the Q today. Trying this bounce here. Ooh, look at CRM, it's moving. What a push. We're holding very good there. Meta finally looks like you found support. Come on, do something. Do something. Move. I have 3 screens. Come on, push, push, push. Nvidia trying to break out. I like that bounce on Meta. CRM looking beautiful. Keep going, baby. Move. That consolidation on Nvidia was very telling. 12 screens? That's too much. Why so many? I used to trade only on my laptop, but I had to buy more screens because of the stream. I need to run a bunch of stuff behind to be able for the stream to work out. That's why I have so many screens. Otherwise, I don't think you just need one and that's it. I've seen so many people with a bunch of screens and they are not really good traders. I think watching too many charts is definitely distracting you. Yay! Keep going. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I can see SPY retesting the V1, maybe breaking out here. Because if we really see what's going on here, it definitely looks like a flag. And I think as long as SPY keeps holding this level here, is bullish. I don't feel like this is just a bounce. I think SPY can keep going higher. Looks like on the bigger time frame, looks like a break and retest. Like today being the retest. Yeah, sadly stopped me out here. But yeah, I was always trusting this level here, especially with SPY, because the SPY's been having so much trouble going lower today. Been holding very, very strongly. I'm gonna sell one at the VWAP. I think we can have a little pullback here, unless we have a high volume breaking the VWAP. Very strong breakout on Nvidia. That was beautiful. That breakout was so clean. You have a beautiful consolidation there. Oops, I did my 4 miles for the day. Yeah, I'm gonna sell one here. Like I said, we could have a little pullback here. But yeah, I do love this setup here on SPY. Okay, I like that. That looks beautiful. We want to see a spy holding the view up now as support. Maybe for a retest of yesterday high. This day 30-minute candle on the Q was very telling also. I want to see the Q breaking the view up. I'm very happy with this trade. In fact, I'm happy with how I traded today because I was very patient. Very patient with my setups. Because basically we learn by mistakes, right? So I didn't want to have the same day that I had yesterday, which was like being chopped around and something like this in the morning, only to see the market booming. So I had the right setup yesterday, it just didn't work out because the market was extremely choppy in the morning, yesterday morning, right? So I was like, okay, today I'm gonna be very patient. We gotta be careful here. Like basically we have all these resistance, right? We can see a lot of rejections here, and here is yesterday high. Nvidia, if we can see a pullback to 134, 133.50, and though that level acting as support, that's very bullish. And that's your perfect break and retest entry, possible entry. Yeah, any of you got Nvidia? Nvidia was super clean. That was a very strong breakout on Nvidia. Now we wait for a pullback to enter. You can wait for that pullback on NVIDIA, or you can wait for the Q to break the VWAP and use it as support. So far, it's rejecting me. You want to see the Q holding this previous high, this previous candle high on the 30-minute time frame, acting as support to play the upside continuation here. But I like more SPY. SPY is definitely more bullish today than the Q. SPY is also cleaner today than the Q. The SPY keeps holding the VWAP. I'm just gonna wait for 548. Apple rejecting there, but it's kinda at yesterday's low, which is kinda support. So we need Apple to at least hold here. Apple rejecting. Microsoft is not looking so strong. Meta is looking weak also. Again, I want to see SPY holding the VWAP. I want to see this 5-minute candle closing holding the VWAP. If not, I'm getting out. And done. I'm hungry. Come on, SPY, hold there. Yes, I want to see this level, this VWAP here holding. Also, we can see how this 547.50 level, where I have the VWAP here, was support here. Kind of want to add one more, but I don't want to risk it. Okay, that's our pullback on Nvidia. We want to see Nvidia holding 134, 133.80, 133.75. Apple is looking pretty weak. I don't like that. Okay, I'm adding one more there. Let's see, I want to see this candlestick holding the VWAP. I'm gonna fill that one that I bought until push to this high and keep holding just one. Yeah, I need to get back on the protein bar, right? Protein bars reviews. I might do it just once a week because I don't like eating protein bars every single day. Okay, I like that hold. It's looking beautiful. Good add there. I honestly never add to winners. I always add to loser if I see it holding my levels. I don't like add. Most of the time when I add to my winners, I get backfire me. Is this an inverse head and shoulder here on an uptrend with a flag on the 30-minute time frame? Everything's pretty bullish on SPY. The Q is still struggling here. Let's clean up this a little bit. Yeah, definitely. Chicken and beef. $4.99 keeps holding very strongly on Meta. We're looking good, Chi, so far. We're looking pretty good. Anyone got this entry with me? Nice, nice. Yeah, we had a beautiful entry. Okay, I'm gonna sell one there. Holding only one. Gonna be careful around here. We can see a lot of reactions there. Like, a lot. You're done, Robert. See you on Thursday. I was thinking on trading tomorrow, but I don't know if I wanna, like, I don't like holidays, days when the market is open half day, the volume is really low, it gets very choppy, and it's only futures that is open tomorrow. I don't know if Forex, but I don't care. But futures, I think it's half day. 12. That's my sign to get out of here. My 12 o'clock alarm to be done with trading. The Q, guys, the Q broke the VWAP. The Q is a very good entry here. You want to see it holding the VWAP. If the Q can really hold the VWAP, that's an entry. Yeah, I'm looking for a possible 548 retest. I don't like that. I don't want to see this candle closing with a long wick at the top, because that's a very clear, strong reaction, just like happened the entire morning here. That 134 retest on Nvidia was so clean. Nvidia, it's been moving extremely clean today. Okay, let's boom here, SPY. Let's go. I wanna see this candle like tapping 548 and then out. Okay, it's looking pretty good. Go, 548, give me 548. 548. Anyone got here? The Q looking pretty good. go above 548 because we have Nvidia holding pretty good. We have Microsoft boom booming. We have Meta holding very good support. Like so far, SPY is not giving me any reason to get out of this position. We will see how it's reacting here. Okay, I'm out. Beautiful. Beautiful day. That was a flag here. We have a beautiful entry. Still looking pretty strong. Still looks like it wants to go higher. But I'm happy with today. Super happy. And I'm hungry. I'm done. I'm done. So yeah, the other one that I see that is looking pretty good is the Q here. I'm done, guys. Happy holidays tomorrow. I don't even know what holiday is tomorrow. Why is the market closed tomorrow? The same thing. I use exactly the same time frames. No need to change that. Why would I have different time frames on SPY and the Q compared to any other stocks? I trade with these 3 time frames, and that's what I use for everything. So yeah, be careful here. You can see a lot of reaction here. Still definitely can go higher and retest yesterday high. If he breaks that, wait for a break and retest. And yeah, but I'm done. Done. CRM is not looking too good, but my stop loss is today's low. I'm sorry, yesterday's low. If CRM cannot hold yesterday's low, I'm getting out of the next week's contracts. But yeah, done. Off to making my breakfast and going to the gym. See you guys mañana. No, Thursday.